Hi kabayan, napansin mo ba ang daming Chinese sentences na may joke? Pero para saan nga ba ang joke? Let's break it down. Joke is like your shortcut word for then, agad-agad. Yun nga siya lang or only. Depende sa sentence, iba-iba ang dating niya. For example, yung then, 你说要学，我就教你. You said, you want to learn, then I'll teach you. Emphasis, number 2. Exactly. For example, 我就说嘛, I told you so. Yun nga Number 3. Action or agad-agad. 他一下班就回家. As soon as he gets off work, he goes home. Pagka-out, uwi agad. Limiting or only. 今天就我一个人. Just me today, ako lang mag-isa ngayon. Bonus phrase. This one is my favorite. 就行了. 你回答一个问题就行了. Just answer one question and you're good. Isa lang sagot, okay na. So remember, joke can mean agad, edi, yun nga, or even only. And 就行了 is like lifesaver. Parang sige na, that's enough. Kung gusto mo pa ng madadaling Chinese tips, follow and comment your own sentence with 就 or 就行了. Let's keep learning the Taglish way. 明天见.